I'm Rick Lopez with the law firm of Anderson & Lopez. One of the things that we're doing here at Anderson & Lopez is to provide an informative view of how things work if you're injured and you need assistance. And what I'm planning on speaking to you about is how work comp law works in general. The law in Colorado requires that all employers in the state of Colorado have workers' compensation insurance with only a few certain exceptions. The reason that the law requires that is that the lawmakers wanted to make sure that if a person got injured on the job, that they're going to have insurance to pay their medical expenses, they're going to have insurance to pay them if they're unable to work, and they're going to have insurance to cover them if they turn out to have a permanent impairment. So the initial thing that has to be shown if you're injured on the job is that you were doing work arising out of and in the course of your employment. Now obviously that means doing your actual job duties, or many times it's also providing a benefit to your employer. One of the many cases that we see here at Anderson & Lopez are people that are injured while they're driving. And while you're driving, you're doing nothing other than going from one place to another. But while you are going from one place to another, you are providing a benefit to your employer. So under those circumstances, you have Colorado workers' compensation law. And additionally, you could have a claim against a person that caused the accident if someone else was negligent and responsible for that injury. So basically what you have to know is that if you're doing anything at all that's related to your work, that could be something that provides a benefit to your employer. Certain other circumstances that would apply would be, for example, an office party that's not even conducted at the place of employment. It could even mean going in and out of the parking lot, and travel status is also another issue that would entitle you to Colorado workers' compensation law. So basically, if you have any type of injury while you're working, it's best to consult an attorney. There are certain deadlines that would apply during the course of your involvement with the Colorado Division of Workers' Compensation, and you would need to follow those deadlines or your case could be lost forever. So any type of injury, understand that the law requires that your employer have workers' compensation insurance. And under most circumstances, if you're injured while you're working, there is going to be coverage for insurance, and also the law requires a very stiff penalty for the employers who do not have insurance. So in any circumstance, if you're injured on the job, you need to contact an attorney. And here at Anderson & Lopez, we have been conducting workers' compensation for decades, and we would have the answers to any of your questions. Thank you very much.